English Made Easy with Cikgu Hana. Hi everyone, we are going to learn about inferencing. Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and good day I wish to all viewers. I am Nurul Hana binti Hussein, currently teaching at the Institute of Teacher Education Bahasa Melayu Campus or Malay Language Campus, which is located in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. Thank you for watching channel Cikgu Hana. Let's learn about inferencing. We make inference every day, day in, day out, when we speak, when we listen to conversation, speech, or lecture. Now, what is inference? Inference is the technique of finding answers from clues and from prior knowledge rather than the answers are stated directly. The tone of the speakers, gestures, and facial expressions can also give us the clue in making an inference. So, clue plus prior knowledge plus tone of the speaker help us to make inference. An inference is an idea or conclusion that's drawn from evidence and reasoning. An inference is an educated guess. We learn about some things by experiencing them firsthand, but we gain knowledge by making inference, which is the process of inferring things based on what is already known. Here are some other tips which can help us make inferences. Besides clue, prior knowledge, and tone of the speakers, we would be able to make inference accurately if we know the relationship between the speakers and if we know the conversation is taking place. When do we make inference? We might not realize it, but we are actually making inferences all the time, which essentially means that we are making assumptions, educated guesses, and or predictions based on the information we have or know from previous experiences or from our own background knowledge. Why do we make inferences? Well, we make inferences to deduce something from between the lines of a conversation or speech. Sometimes we do not understand what is being said, so we would try to make some sense by reading between the lines. We also make inference to listen for the meaning, especially when direct answers cannot be found from the speech or conversation. And when we want to try to put together pieces of information from the speech or conversation, we make an inference. So when we try to figure out the answers, we make inferences based on the clues that we gather, based on the information that we have from previous experiences, and based on the tone of the speaker. Let's listen to a conversation between two speakers and try to infer their relationship from their conversation.
Lynn, quick! We need to go now. Wait, I need to get my bag. You know Madam Zalma doesn't like us to be late for chemistry lab, or she won't let us in. Okay, I'm coming. Let's go.
Who do you think these speakers are? Can you infer their relationship from their conversation? Are they classmates? Or are they colleagues? What are the clues that we can deduce from the conversation? Okay, we have bag,
But is it a school bag? Or a handbag? Or maybe a carry bag? Then we have the second clue, Madam Zalma. Who is Madam Zalma? Is she a teacher? Or a scientist? Or a pharmacist who happened to be in the chemistry lab? Then we relate these clues with our prior knowledge. We know that in school, teachers, especially in the chemistry lab, will not allow students to come late. So, we can make an educated guess that the conversation took place in the classroom and therefore their relationship is classmates. Yay! We have finally made an inference. Alright, let's recap. How do we make the correct inference? We ask ourselves these questions. Is my inference based on a guess? No, that's not the way to make an inference. Okay, let's ask another question. Is my inference based on the clue I saw or heard? Yes, let's put a check. Is my inference based on guts or instinct? No, that's not the way. Did I use information I know to make this inference? Yes. Is my inference based on my prior knowledge? Yes. Is my inference based on evidence and reasoning? Yes. Give yourselves some claps. Now we have come to the end of our lesson. So I hope you enjoy my sharing from English Made Easy with Cikgu Hana. Thank you for watching till the end of this video. Please help me to subscribe channel Cikgu Hana so that you would motivate me to come up with more meaningful videos in the future.